People tend to buy heating equipment, and as long as it works, they don't really touch it for a number of years. And so the worst thing that could happen to a customer is they have a heater that is on its last leg, only they're not aware of it. And the heater goes down, and now they're down for months while some major piece of equipment like a burner or some major portion of the internals of the heater have to be rebuilt. And so we can really help customers by traveling to their sites and identifying those problems early on, so they're not dealing with extended, unexpected downtimes.
The biggest benefit of doing a retrofit over new equipment is usually either a footprint in the plant where you don't have the space to be able to add a new piece of equipment while the plant's running, or you can't afford the downtime of that process while you're putting in that piece of equipment. So a lot of times you can do a retrofit without disturbing either the process or the footprint of the plant.
We have extensive experience with heating systems, process heating systems, and we have the engineering expertise to be able to evaluate what would work best for each customer's needs.
A lot of times you can keep the bare heater by itself and replace everything that goes on it and have a much lower cost than buying a new piece of equipment.
A lot of those systems now are 20, 25 years old, and a lot of the controls are either outdated and they're not as useful for troubleshooting, or you can't find spare parts for them. So either one of those can have an effect on the system or the process.
When doing a retrofit, the quality aspect of it means a lot to Sigma Thermal. We want to make sure the equipment that we're providing to the customer meets or exceeds all their expectations. We try to minimize the customer's downtime. We understand that the time that the heater is offline is time that the customer is not making money.
There are some cases where customers have got an outage scheduled that's for a different part of the process that's much bigger than what we need. And we'll go ahead and do our retrofits during that window, and that way they don't have to take any extra downtime to do both projects at a different time.
Additional services that Sigma Thermal offers after a retrofit would be ongoing preventive maintenance visits. We would highly recommend that they have field service technicians come on site at least once a year to make sure their system is operating safely and efficiently, that it's reliable, to help prevent unplanned downtime.
There are a lot of safeties that are required that need to be checked every year from a codes and regulations standpoint. Those service techs can take care of those needs as well.
We could do retrofits on any systems. They don't have to be Sigma Thermal equipment originally, and we often do a lot of that because those tend to be the older systems that could benefit from our expertise.
Making sure that the customer is taken care of 100% is my number one goal.
I don't think there's any companies out there that build equipment, design equipment, and have the engineering experience and knowledge that we have that can help customers get what they need. If there's something Sigma Thermal can help you with, please give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to take a look at it.